Is your HVAC marketing strategy truly built for growth or just checking boxes? By incorporating Mediagistic's marketing technology's Flywheel into your home services contracting business, you can harness the full power of an integrated marketing tech stack. This 360-degree approach connects branding, lead gen, FSM systems, AI-powered lead handling, outbound customer engagement, and revenue analytics into one continuous growth engine. The result? Higher booking rates, increased sales, more installs, and greater ROI across the board. Home services contractors across the country are already using this system to close more jobs, increase customer lifetime value, and turn one-time buyers into long-term brand advocates. The best part? It doesn't require a full overhaul, just a smarter, more connected strategy. Mediagistic. Unify your marketing, unlock your potential. Visit Mediagistic.com/marketingflywheel today to learn more about how to integrate this system into your HVAC business.